second part of tutorial for Mehndi hai rachne wali. I hope you have already watched the first part and practiced it well, and also the main dance video. If not, the both video links are in the description box below. Make sure to watch them before. First the dance video, then the first part, and now the second part, because that way the flow is gonna be maintained. Before starting the tutorial, I want to say that if you are going to try this tutorial, this choreography or any other choreography of mine, make sure to tag me on my Instagram and add hashtag Sukriti Choreography. My username and the hashtag both are mentioned on the screen so that I can watch your videos. I follow the hashtag. I like to comment on the videos, like them, and yeah, it will be so much fun. Let's start the tutorial now. So before starting, I want to clear you the sides again. This is my right side, this is my left side. This video is mirrored, so if I'm using my right or left hand, you need to use exactly the same. Don't try to copy the opposite of it. Do exactly as it is. So now the musical part starts, and for that I will show you the leg movements first, and the body movement, then the hand movements. So first you have to walk to your left side, okay, and then to your right side. So first you will take your right leg forward, but before that you have to lift it up and kick back. So it lifts up and kicks back, okay, like this. 1, okay, now in 2, it crosses your left leg like this towards the left side. So it's 1 and 2. I hope you're getting it. Now in 3, your left leg from behind comes forward like this. So now your body weight is on the right leg, your left leg is stretched out. Do it once more. 1 and 2. From here we have to walk to the right side. So for this, your left leg will come first. So it will cross your right leg towards the right side. 1 and 2. So in 2, my right leg comes out. We'll do it from start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now your hand movement. So when you're kicking your right leg behind, your both hands are first like this, then your hands open downwards in this semi-circular motion, and then comes here, back here. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. Start 1 and 2. From here, you have to open your both arms like this. So this is going to be the last position of your arms. So from here, you will turn your both hands from your wrist twice. This is the movement I'm talking about. From your wrist, both hands are turning 1 and 2. So from here, they will turn and open. So it's 1 and 2. Okay? Meanwhile, you're also walking to the right side like I told you in the beginning. Okay? We'll do it all together. Okay, from here. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2. Let's do it from the start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Now from here you have to make 2 flowers, both sides. So first your body weight will shift to your right leg like this, and your left leg is stretched out. Then the body weight will shift to your left leg and your right leg is stretched out. So it's 1, 2. You have to make 2 flowers. Like this, the flowers, these are the flowers. You're turning your hands from your wrist and your wrists are touched. Okay, so from here you will make 1 flower to your right side, then to your left side. Okay, so it's 1, 2. Okay, now where do you have to look? Look in the opposite direction to where you're making the flowers. So these are the flowers. You're making the flower to your right side, look to your left. So look to your stretched leg. Okay, so here 1 and 2. Very easy. 1 to your right, 2 to your left. Okay, let's do it from here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay, now for 7, 8, you have to take a chakkar from your right side this time. So it's ulta chakkar. Okay, now the hand movement for this. From here, place your both hands in front of your chest. Now your right hand will rise up, turns and comes down. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, with the chakkar. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very easy. Now, as soon as the turn completes, you face forward and now your hand comes down, the right one. You need to clap your left hand with your right hand. So it's this movement. 1, 2, 3. So right hand claps it and comes down to this position. Your left hand also uplifts a bit here. So this is the last position. Let's do it with the chakkar. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this clap has to be done in a certain beat. It's the last beat of that musical part. Okay. After this, the lyrics are going to start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's do the whole musical part from the start till here. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Turn and clap. From here comes the lyrics. Lyrics are गाय मैया और मौसी. Okay? तो leg movement इसके लिए ऐसे है. The right leg is only moving in this. From here, right leg goes out. 1, 2, 3. Now the hand movements. You have to open your right hand first, then your left hand, then your right hand. And make sure last में your left hand comes beside your face like this. So पहले नीचे है, फिर face के बगल में आएगा. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now let's do it with the foot movement. 1, 2, 3. Now after 3 you will do 1 and 2. So your waist will swing. 1, 2. गाय मैया और मौसी. Okay? Now from here comes गाय भैया और भाभी, something like that. So for that you have to walk forward with these small steps. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now you can see I'm not only walking forward but my waist is also swinging. So it's 1, 2, 3. You have to take both of your hands in front of your face, your mouth, and then you take 1, 2, 3. Turn them alternatively and take them forward. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you are stationary in your position after this, and where you are standing वहीं पर खड़े होके 1, 2, 3 फिर से waist swing करनी है. Now your right hand will come in front of your mouth and you will go like this as if you are saying something to your right side. So 1, 2, 3. Left, with your left hand you are holding your lehenga. From here goes up. Throw it up. Okay? And when you are throwing it up, your left leg will also extend out. Bhabhi K. So after K, you have to walk backwards. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And after coming here, take a turn from your left side and stop here to your left. Okay? From here we will go K. 1, 2, 3. Walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're stopping here. Now from here you will take your body all the way to the right side. Okay, in the semi. So you are not taking a full turn, it's the half turn. So 1, 2, 3 and you will sit. Let's do from here. 1, 2, 3, go. Walk back, walk. Turn and turn. 1, 2, sit. I hope you are getting it. You have to walk back, take a turn from your left side, stop looking to the left, then take a turn to your right side, face to your right side and then sit. Now your hand movement. You are only going to use your right hand for this whole step. So from here, your right hand will come down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now turn it inwards, then outwards and in front of you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing is happening when you're taking the turn. Mehendi khil jaye. Okay. Now comes Rangilai when you have to take the half turn. So from here, your left hand will also join the other hand, and then you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sit. From here, 1, 2, 3, go. Mehendi khil jaye, rang laaye. Now from here, after rang laaye comes Hariyali Banni. For that, your right hand will go up. You will hold the dupatta, bring it down, grab with your left hand, the other hand, then your right hand will come here and you will hold it with your right hand and look. Rang laaye, Hariyali Banni. Now from here you have to stand up And you also have to meanwhile swing your waist 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do it from the start of this tutorial. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn and clap. गाए मैया और मौसी, गाए बहना और भाभी के, मेहंदी खिल जाए रंग लाए हरियाली बनी. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before moving forward, I want to tell you all that this video is in collaboration with Mamaearth. They've recently sent me these 4 body lotions in the variant Vitamin C, Upton, Cocoa and Rose. Now we all have different skin types, its concern and needs, but one thing is common: moisturization. Be it any skin type or anyone, you need to appropriately hydrate and moisturize it and know what your skin is craving. So out of these 4, the Cocoa body lotion is my pick because I'm a dry skin type, and especially in this winter season, my skin gets super dehydrated and even flaky at times, and it needs something with deep nourishment and moisturization. And this one fulfills it all. It has the thickest consistency of all, however it doesn't make you feel greasy and gets absorbed quickly. It has coffee with amazing antioxidant benefits and reduces inflammation. Cocoa butter boosts blood flow, reverses free radical impact and helps in the growth of new skin cells, making your skin young, smooth and firm. Shea butter is known for intense moisturization. High concentration of fatty acids and vitamins softens the skin. Olive oil has goodness of vitamin E, protects and nourishes your skin. So this is the perfect one for my dry skin. You need to use according to your skin type and its needs. If you are an oily skin type, this rose body lotion with rose water and milk will be best suited to you. It's for deep hydration and also has shea butter and olive oil in it. The key ingredients and benefits are on the screen. You may go for this Upton body lotion if you are a normal skin type and your skin is dull. Its amazing ingredient will help your skin glow along with good moisturization and hydration. It has turmeric, cocoa butter, shea butter and olive oil. Although if you are confused which one to choose from or with your skin type, go for this Vitamin C body lotion with honey and vitamin C. It is suitable for all the skin types. It nourishes and boosts collagen to give you radiant looking skin with long lasting hydration. All these body lotions are free from parabens, mineral oils and silicons. If you want these products or any other product of Mamaearth, you may get them from their official website, which is mamaearth.in, also from Amazon and Nykaa. All the links are in the description box below. And if you want to buy anything from Mamaearth's official website, you can get extra 20% off by using my new code Sukriti2021. It's mentioned here in the screen. Now we all know Mamaearth is cruelty free. They have got PETA certification for that, and with every order you place on Mamaearth, they will link your order to a tree they plant. So you can even track the plant using your order ID. So you're not just doing your regular self-care but adding something back to the planet as well, doing your bit. And by 2025, Mamaearth is planning to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Now let's continue our tutorial. From your left side you will take a turn and throw your left hand here and your right hand will come above your face. And from here you will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk backwards and swing your waist. 1, 2, 3, start. Mehendi roop savare. Okay. Now comes Mehendi Rang Nikhare. For that you will walk forward. Mehendi Rang Nikhare. In Nikhare you can see my right leg will extend, okay? So it's Mehendi Rang Nikhare. Now your hand movement very easy. Left hand comes up, right hand से करोगे Mehendi Rang Nikhare. मैंने ये कैसे किया? यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड था, यहाँ पे राइट हैंड था. लेफ्ट हैंड will come inwards, अंदर से घूम के जाएगा. राइट हैंड will come up and show your face with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, start. मेहंदी रूप सवारे, हाँ मेहंदी रंग निखारे. Okay. Hariyali. So you walk back and open your arms. Hariyali. Now take a turn with your arms open. Banni ke. Now from here it's a bit tricky step, but if you will focus and look carefully, you will be able to do it. From here I'll show you the foot movement first, then my hand movement. Foot movement is first you're tapping your left foot, so it's tap. Okay, now you have to do this heel thing with your right foot, sorry. So it's heel. So first tap with your left foot, heel with your right foot, then tap with your right foot, heel with your left foot. Again tap with your left foot, heel with your right foot. So it's 4 times. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it's 8 times. Okay, so you have to do tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, heel. Now the hand movement. Hand movement, when you do the tap, your both hands will come to this place. So it's tap. Okay, and heel, open your right arm. Then tap, bring it back, open your left arm in heel. Tap, bring it back, open your right arm back, but back, okay, back, diagonally back. Then tap, bring it back, heel back. So whenever you are doing the tap thing, your both hands are coming to this place, okay? So tap, heel, and tap, heel. You also have to look in the directions you are pointing towards. Let's do it once more. If you are finding it a bit tricky, I'll do it a bit slowly for you, but you will do it with practice only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Tap, heel with your right foot. Tap with your right foot, heel with your left foot. Tap, heel, back. Okay, now after this, you will take a step forward with your right foot. So it's 1 and your left leg will come back. And my left leg, you can see, I hope you can see it, I'm on my toe with my left foot. So right and toe. Okay? Right and toe. And then from here, take a turn. So I'm not doing anything with my foot. I'm not changing their positions. They're there as it is, and you are twisting your both feet and taking a turn. It's easier this way. Like this, from here, take a turn and this. So in the end, you can see my left foot is behind. Now right foot is behind and left is forward. So let's do it once more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the hand movement, from here your right hand will go up. So it's 1. See, 1 in 1 my hand is facing forward. Okay, so it's 1. Then flip it inside, turn it and place it downwards. So it's 1, turn it down. Alright, I hope you are getting it. 1, turn and flip it down. From here, take your both hands inwards and flip them up above your head. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4. So it's inwards and up. Let's do it with the foot movement. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now I will do the whole this music thingy from the start. 1 from the tap heel thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, heel, tap, heel. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's do this part in the actual speed that we have to follow, which is pretty fast. Okay, but don't get scared. You have to do exactly what I told you, but a bit faster, which will come with practice. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, turn and 1. Okay, now let's revise this whole portion from the start. From here, Hariyali Banni. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mehendi roop saware ke mehendi rang nikhare ke हरियाली बन्नी के आंचल में उतरेंगे तारे. 1. Now from here comes Mehendi Hai Rashmi Wali. So you have to bring your both hands down by turning them twice. Okay, so 1, 2. These are the wave-like turns from your wrist. Both are turning twice and coming down. So it's 1 and 2. So we will skip द मेहंदी है तक हम स्किप करेंगे. फ्रॉम रचने वाली we will do रचने वाली. And as you can see, my waist is also moving. So it's rachne wali. You will not stand like this and do this thing, but also move your waist. 1, 2, 3, go. Mehndi hai rachne wali. Now from here you will एक step forward लोगे with your right leg and it will come back. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. So you're hitting also with your hip. So it's 1, 2. And for this your hand movement is very easy. So you will turn them down and bring it here. हाथों में. Okay, let's do it from here. वन के आंचल में उतरेंगे तारे, मेहंदी है रचने वाली हाथों में. Now for Gehri Lali, you will shift to the right side with very little and a very graceful jump. So it's 1 and 2. Your waist is also swinging. Okay, so 1 and 2. From here, your hand movement is very easy. You have to do just this. You're showing mehendi. So it's 1, 2. Your right hand is moving. 1, 2. मेहंदी है रचने वाली हाथों में गहरी लाली. From here you will take your left from here you will take your right leg, just uplift it, place it here, turn back, and now your left leg is extended and you will tilt your body down. From here we go 1, 2, 3. And we are just holding your lehenga in this step. So, rachne wali, 2, 3. So here ends the tutorial for Mehendi Hai Rachne Wali, and yeah, I hope you were able to learn something from these videos and gain something at least. And I hope you find my teaching helpful. I just can't wait to see all the beautiful, lovely covers. Just make sure to tag me and add the hashtag like I told you before. And yeah, we'll see you all really soon. I know you all are waiting for Tere Bina tutorial as well. I know that, but I am planning to organize a workshop on that because it needs a better teaching platform. I mean, I think I would be able to interact better with you if it happens live and one-to-one. So yeah, that might be a workshop for Tere Bina very soon. I'm planning on that. You just be patient and learn this tutorial. Till then, I'm just waiting for all the videos. Love you. Bye.